How to put two Bitmojis together in Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for some time. After the update is installed, click on Open. Now go to the chat section. Now keep holding the chat. Now click on Pin as your best friend. For that you need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. After subscribing, go back, open up the profile. So now you have two Bitmojis together. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a point or question on such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.